Adjective in Spanish. Let's dive right in. My name is Omar and we're gonna use the adjective. The adjectives are made to describe things. In English, the adjective is a little bit easier because you don't have to shift around a lot. In Spanish, you do. Let me explain that to you. In English, you say the man is tall. El hombre es alto. However, you can use that same structure for women or kids. El hombre es alto. La mujer es alta, right? So you keep the same structure. However, in Spanish, it changes because in Spanish, the adjective has to mirror the gender and the plurality of the noun. So this has to match this and this have to match this in Spanish. Hombre alto. That matches. However, if I'm gonna say the woman is tall, the adjective in Spanish also have to match the gender of the noun. And also it has to match the plurality. Hombre alto. Mujer alta. Okay, this is singular. Singular, singular, singular. Other example. Él es amigo. Ella es amiga. See? In some cases where the adjective doesn't really have to match the verb. So that's the exception of the rule. Él es saludable. He is healthy. Ella es saludable. She is healthy. So in this case, they work at the same as in English. Okay? So as you can see, las casas son blancas. The houses are white. Casas blancas. Okay? Let me give you some examples of the concept of negation in Spanish. La negación. Negation. Los carros son blancos, right? That's the positive statement. If you want to make a negative statement, you will say, los carros no son blancos. So you put the no before the action, the verb, okay? Las casas son blancas, the houses are white. The houses are not white. Las casas no son blancas. You see? In English, you put the no after the action, are not white, right? So like everything in Spanish, a lot of things are backwards, okay? Now let me give you another example. So in Spanish, how would you use it as a negation? You will put, él es mi amigo. So you will put, él no es mi amigo. Él no es mi amigo. In English, it will be, he is not my friend. Okay? Y uno más, el último. Like if I want to say, she sings well. Ella canta bien. But she doesn't sing well. Ella no canta bien. Basically, she's not a very good singer. She doesn't sing well or she doesn't sing good. Something like that, okay? Okay, guys, I hope this helps you a lot. How to use the adjective. Remember, they have to match the noun. Okay, the gender and the plurality, okay? And also remember, then, for the negation concept, you put the no before the action, before the verb. Él no es mi amigo, ella no canta bien. Thank you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell, and ask some questions in the comment section so I can make more videos about the subjects that you want or you need to learn. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next one.